Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to use your Google Play gift card to buy Genesis crystals in Genshin Impact? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First of all, open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Redeem Code. Now enter your gift card code. Tap Redeem and the balance will be added to your Google Play account. Now open Genshin in Impact, go to the shop and select Crystal Top Up or Blessing of the Welkin Moon. Pick the amount you want to buy, then, then select Google Play Balance as your payment method at checkout. Confirm your purchase and boom, your Genesis crystals are now added to your account, and that's it. You are ready to pull for your favorite characters. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.